What's going on YouTube? GSN right here. In today's video we have an important update on the SparseRestore bug that is actually quite important, and it's what powers applications like TrollStore for iOS 17, so TrollStore installer, the MisakaX, which is a customization tool working all the way up to iOS 18, and it allows you to do a lot of customizations to your device, including to enable Stage Manager and Apple Pencil support. This video is brought to you by FlexStore, a third-party app store for iOS that allows you to install applications, but also jailbreak tools. They have all jailbreaks like the Uncovered jailbreak and many others, for example Dopamine, and the latest tools available. Definitely check it out below. You can use your own certificate and it's available for all devices supporting iOS 18 and older. And as you probably know, I made an article about MisakaX and it's actually quite a powerful tool. Well, the SparseRestore bug, according to Michael, has actually been patched in iOS 18.1 beta 5, which means that iOS 18.1 will actually kill the bug. So this is actually quite bad. This means that even if we do get in the future any bug that would work for TrollStore, we would still not have this method to restore it anymore. And applications like MisakaX will not be updated after iOS 18.1 beta 4 because the bug is actually patched. Like this, there are multiple other tools, for example Nuggest, that would work the same way with the same bug. Those will not work either. So if you want to use any of these tools, the best version to be on is essentially iOS 18.1 beta 4 or lower. So do not update further. iOS 18, the final version that was released, should actually work pretty fine. iOS 17.7 as well, and 17.6.1 and all the other versions should still be compatible. However, for TrollStore or TrollStore installer for iOS 17, you are not affected because that supports iOS 17.0 only. So yeah, definitely do not update past iOS 18.1 beta 5. A very important bug is now killed in that version, so do not update. Thank you for watching. I am GSN. Till the next time, peace out.